Well, what day is today?
Today is December 2nd, 2017. And today I'm going to be doing the Rubik's Cube in an attempt of doing it in under 2 minutes.
Under 2 minutes? Are you crazy?
My record is 1 minute 13 seconds. But that's pretty fast. I don't think I can get that now.
Okay.
But see for the best.
Okay. You say start and I will, and it's show it's messed up. Yep. Okay. So, you count down, I'll push start.
3, 2, 1, go.
And not to brag, but Dad can do it in about 3.5 minutes with instructions. And Will can do it under 2 minutes without instructions, as fast as so far as 1 minute and 13 seconds.
I already told them that.
And Chris can now do it, but he uses the cheat sheet like I do. He's getting quicker. He can do it in about 6 minutes with cheat sheets.
Getting close, Dad. Finish.
Tied your fastest time.
Yay!
1 minute, 13, 92 seconds. And it's all done?
I finished the Rubik's Cube.
All right, that's... Ship off your old block. Good job, buddy.
Look, I have no formula.
Yep. Or anything. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye.